Right, having finally got rid of that shower completely, hurrah. I've now been able to start taking down the chimney breast, which is the main work of the whole job, obviously, bugger of a job. So what I've had to do is just break through there to see where all the joists and things are and just check what's what. And there are two joists where these two supports are. And what I've done is I've just put in temporary supports because the joists go and they rest on the chimney breast, which obviously I'm taking down, but they also go into the wall, but they don't go into the wall very far. So just to be on the safe side, I've put these temporary supports up just to make sure everything's okay. I'm able to take the chimney breast down without too much hassle because I know that the chimney stack above was taken out years ago, and that's why I'm able to take it down. So we're just starting now. That's the old fireplace that I've opened up. There'll be two chimneys in here. There'll be the chimney from here and there'll be the chimney from the kitchen down below. So I think that on the left side of this chimney stack is the chimney for here, and on the right side will be the chimney for what was the kitchen. But again, that's all gone from down there. This is actually the only bit of chimney that's left. It's all gone above and it's all gone below. There's a big joist under, the big steel joist under there holding everything up, which will of course be redundant after this. And I don't know if you can see, I've just started to break through into the actual chimney. It's quite good. It is about 1 foot deep, which is what I was hoping it would be. So that'll make, hopefully when everything's out, I'll make a nice recess and I can put the radiator in there and also turn it into a cupboard. But of course it's a massive job. The main thing is carrying all the bricks down through the house into the skip, which is just a job, you know, on its own. And of course the dust is unbelievable. I've sealed up the door as best I can with a dust sheet, and it's dust sheets all the way through the house from that door all the way down to the front door. But it's amazing, you know, how much dust still gets out even then. And I've and it's all sealed up there on the attic to make sure that no dust goes through the ceiling up into the attic. We've got a little room up there. Okay, I'll carry on. It's just a matter really of carrying bricks out. It's just hard work. This left side, you can see it's all rough. That's because in our case, this whole thing is an extension. And here, this used to be the outside wall of the house. And that's actually the outside of next door's house, but it's all been extended along by 6 foot. And so what they did, they just squared it off, and these bricks here are literally just piled on top of each other. They're all just loose, and they simply put that in simply to square it off when they first did it. So because the chimney stack naturally goes up at a slight angle, so to get rid of the angle they just piled these bricks up, because they also had a lot of spare bricks probably when they took the chimney stack down above, just to square the thing off. There you go. Anyway, bit by bit, I'll do another video as the chimney comes down.